Control your home with a text on WhatsApp. Tired of complex apps and costly devices? Turn lights on, lock doors, check temperature, all from your phone, anytime, anywhere, for free, simple and easy. Hi, I am Ashraf from the Educational Engineering team. With over 13 years of hands-on experience in electronics and IoT, I have helped over 250,000 students master emerging tech trends. Our team has created more than 100 courses on Udemy, all aimed at making complex tech simple and practical. If you are ready to level up your skills, you're in the right place. In this course, you'll learn how to set up ESP32 for smart home control, create and use webhooks for seamless communication, send commands and receive alerts via WhatsApp, build real-time projects like light control, door access and temperature monitoring, all from your phone. No need for expensive software or apps. WhatsApp is free and powerful. You'll be able to remotely monitor and control your home from anywhere. Whether you're a hobbyist, student, or just tech curious, this course gives you the skills to build your own automation system. Just like our student David said, this course made home automation so simple and fun. The projects were very practical and easy to follow. Ready to transform your home into a smart home? Click the link to enroll now and take control with just a message. Let's bring your home automation project to life. Start today.